Tom, I want to invite my family for dinner this weekend.
That's a great idea. What should we cook?
My dad loves steak, but my mom prefers something light.
Maybe we can make chicken and a vegetable side dish.
That sounds good. And my sister loves pasta too.
Then we can cook pasta for her and maybe a salad for everyone.
Perfect. What about dessert?
How about a chocolate cake? Everyone likes chocolate.
Yes, that's true. We can buy it from the bakery.
Okay, let's make a shopping list.
Good idea. We need chicken, pasta, vegetables, and salad dressing.
Don't forget garlic and olive oil.
Right. And maybe some wine for my parents.
Sure. Do we have enough plates and glasses?
Yes, I already checked. We're good.
Great. I'll go shopping tomorrow morning.
I think they'll really enjoy the dinner.
I hope so. It'll be a nice family night.
Okay, we have the food plan ready.
Great. Let's go shopping tomorrow morning.
Tom. But we also need to clean the house.
Oh, right. Your mom always notices everything.
Exactly. She'll check every corner.
Then we need to do a big cleaning day.
Yes, a real deep cleaning. The living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, everything.
That sounds like a lot of work.
Don't worry, we can do it together.
Okay, I'll vacuum the living room and clean the windows.
Great. I'll dust the shelves and wipe the table.
What about the bathroom?
I'll do it. Just make sure to take out the trash.
Deal. Oh, and maybe we can light a candle after cleaning. It'll smell nice.
Good idea. My mom loves fresh scents.
So, tomorrow morning we'll shop, and in the afternoon we clean.
Perfect plan. Then Saturday will be all about cooking and setting the table.
I think your family will be really happy.
Me too. Let's make it a wonderful evening.
I can't wait. It's going to be fun.
Okay, Tom, let's get everything we need for dinner.
Sure. What's first on the list?
Chicken. My dad loves chicken.
Okay, chicken, done. What's next?
Vegetables. We need tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots.
The tomatoes look really good today.
Great. Let's get some. Oh, and maybe some onions too.
Onions? I'll grab a few. Anything else from the veggie section?
Maybe some mushrooms for the pasta.
Sounds good. What about dessert?
Let's buy a chocolate cake.
My favorite. Should we get some ice cream too?
Sure, but just a small one.
Okay, cake and ice cream, done.
Now we need salad dressing and olive oil.
Here they are. Oh, do we have enough wine at home?
Maybe buy one bottle just in case.
All right.
Wait, Tom, do we still have milk at home?
I think only a little. Maybe half a carton.
Then we should buy more. We need milk for coffee and dessert.
Good idea. I'll grab one bottle.
And what about eggs?
Oh, right. I think we only have 2 left.
That's not enough. Let's get a dozen.
Okay, eggs and milk, got it.
Perfect. Anything else we might need?
Maybe some butter? We always forget butter.
You're right. Let's get one.
All right, now we really have everything.
Great. Let's check out and go home.
I can't wait to start cooking.
Tom, we can't let my parents see the bedroom like this.
Yeah, it looks like a laundry explosion happened in here.
Exactly. Can you start by folding those clothes on the chair?
You mean the clothes mountain? Sure thing.
And I'll make the bed. Oh no, the sheets are wrinkled.
We could just pull the blanket over everything and pretend it's neat.
Tom, that's cheating.
I'm just offering creative cleaning solutions.
Okay, fine. Then help me shake out the blanket. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, it's like a parachute.
Focus, Tom.
All right, all right. What next?
Can you wipe the nightstands? There's dust and coffee rings again.
I wonder who keeps leaving those coffee cups here.
Maybe the person who drinks coffee every night before bed?
Oh right, that's me.
I'll vacuum the floor after that.
And I'll open the window. We need some fresh air in here.
Perfect. It already feels cleaner.
Yeah, I think your parents will be impressed.
Let's hope they don't look under the bed.
Oh no, should I check?
Yes, just in case.
Okay, I checked under the bed.
And? Is it scary?
I found 1 sock, 2 pens, and a cookie wrapper.
A cookie wrapper?
Don't look at me. It wasn't my cookie.
We really needed this cleaning day.
I folded all the clothes. Where should I put them?
Just place them in the closet. And make sure the door actually closes this time.
No promises, but I'll try.
I'm going to vacuum now. Can you shake out the pillows?
Sure. Whoa, look at the dust.
Don't shake it toward me.
Sorry. It's attacking both of us.
Okay, vacuum done. This room looks so much better.
Yeah, it actually looks like a bedroom now.
Can you help me clean the bathroom before my parents come?
Sure, but didn't we just clean it last month?
Last month is a long time ago. Look at the mirror.
Wow. I can't even see my face clearly.
Exactly. Please wipe it down with the spray.
Okay. This stuff really works.
Good. Don't forget the corners. They get dusty fast.
You sound like a cleaning coach.
Maybe I should be one.
What should I do next?
Can you scrub the sink? There's toothpaste all over it.
Again? How does toothpaste end up on the wall?
Maybe because someone brushes their teeth too wildly.
Hey, that's you, not me.
Just clean it, please.
Fine. But after this, I'm taking a break.
Deal. I'll clean the shower.
The shower? That's the hardest part.
That's why I'm doing it. I'm nice, remember?
You're the best.
I know. There's so much soap scum.
Want me to help with that?
No, I got it. You can clean the floor instead.
Of course, there's always something more.
Can you help me tidy up the living room?
Sure. Where do we even start?
Let's start with the sofa. There are crumbs everywhere.
Oh, maybe from all the popcorn we ate last night.
We? I think it was mostly you.
Okay, fair enough. I'll vacuum it.
Great. I'll wipe down the coffee table. It's so dusty.
Don't forget the TV stand too. It's covered with fingerprints.
How do fingerprints even get there?
Probably from you changing Netflix shows every 5 minutes.
Okay, guilty.
Should we light a candle after cleaning?
Good idea. It'll make the place smell nice and cozy.
I'll put the magazines in order too. They're all over the place.
And maybe move that laundry basket. It doesn't belong in the living room.
Oh, right. I was just temporarily keeping it there for 2 weeks.
2 weeks isn't temporary, Tom.
Okay. I'll move it now. Anything else?
Maybe fluff the cushions. They look flat.
Done. Wow, it's starting to look nice in here.
See? A little teamwork goes a long way.
Yeah, we're like a cleaning dream team.
Let's just hope my parents think we're this tidy all the time.
They don't need to know the truth.